In today's video, we will be talking about how to add or change the administrators in ECOUNT. This feature is only available to a master ID, so please log in using the master ID and head on over to User Customization, User Setup, and Administrator Settings. Here, I will be talking about Master Setup and Setup Administrator Settings. A master ID can add IDs and modify or configure the settings across the ECOUNT ERP, and even set authorization settings. Usually, a master ID is the representative of the company or the program's main user. The setup administrator, on the other hand, has fewer settings that can be managed. The administrator settings, for instance, can use the company setup, the API authentication key issuance, set menu, function setup, customize, and etc. So these are the range that the setup administration is capable of. Here, by clicking on the magnifying glass, you can add and press apply. You can add up to 200 IDs. Simply save. Now, the same process can be done using a master ID. Click on Master Setup and add using the magnifying glass and add however many IDs you want. Also, similar to the setup administrator settings, you can add up to 200 master IDs. Enter the code and press change to apply. Here, this ID is a master ID. So this ID can head on over to user setup and other parts of the settings. However, when we log in using John, who is the administrator settings ID, this ID is unable to use the user setup menu. However, it can change the information in the company information page and even save the changes as well.